Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come with another video. I hope you are safe during these days. It's always better to learn something than to sit at place doing nothing. So why don't we learn something instead of just wasting our time? So once again, thank you to all for giving precious response on the previous video. In the previous video, I have shown you 35 plus free courses with certificate by upgrade. If you haven't watched that video, then I recommended you to watch it. In today's video, I have come with new platform. The platform name is Tutorial Point. In this platform, you will get 35 plus free courses with lifetime access. In this video, you will get all the detail of the courses. Due to this information, the video is divided into 4 parts. This is the first part of the video. The other part will be uploaded as soon as possible. Each part will consist of 10 courses. So subscribe to my channel by pressing on that button because you will get a notification when I upload the second part of the video. And also join my Telegram group for daily Udemy courses. So let's get started.
The first course is Learn SolidWorks Video Lecture course for free. This course is for 2 hours. In this, you will get 9 lectures and you will also get the full-time lifetime access. In this course, you will learn make a new parts, assemble them and create drawings from the parts of all the assemblers. Further, you will learn the material to the parts and get in mass volume property. You will test the parts or assembly of more. In this course, the requirements are basic knowledge of computer and SolidWorks 2015 software or higher versions. Here you can see the description of the course. Here you can see the course content. In this, you will learn Sketch 2D line, Sketch 2D circle, polygon, Sketch 2D rectangular fillet, part Sketch 2D spline, slot, arc, ellipse, Sketch 2D text point, Sketch 2D trim, Sketch 2D offset minor, pattern move, copy, rotate, scale, stretch, part 2D rapid skeleton, sketch, zoom. The second course is Learn AutoCAD Electrical Video Lecture for free. This course is for 4 hours. In this course, you will get 8 lectures and you will also get a full-time lifetime access. In this course, you will be able to do after taking a course Project Manager, List, Project and Advanced Tools. The requirements of this course are basic knowledge of computer and AutoCAD software. Here you can see the description of the course. In this course content, you will learn Introduction to Project Manager, add some information on the training 1, training 1.1 wire, expand wire, training 2 component, customizing wire numbers, 2.2 customizing component cross reference, training 3 creating a circuit. The fourth course is Learn Basics of Super SketchUp. This course is for 2.5 hours. In this course, you will get 25 lectures. You will also get full lifetime access and also certification on completion. In this course, you will learn 3D modeling and visualization. The basic requirements are computer knowledge. Here you can see the description of the course. Here the topics includes are navigating SketchUp, creating camera views, configuring the toolbar on Mac and Windows, selecting, moving and scaling objects, using the line tool for 3D drawing, creating rectangles, outlines, circles and freehand shape, creating a 3D text, using the measurement and labeling tools, organizing drawing with groups and layers, creating components and using components for the 3D warehouse, creating and applying material, working with texture, rendering and animating drawing. Here you can see the course content, interfacing basic for window, navigate in SketchUp, walk around in SketchUp, shade, face and edges, creating camera views, creating shadow and fog, create multiple views using scene, configuring toolbar and tray, select and move objects, scale and rotate objects, manipulate face and edge, advanced selecting tools, line tool fundamentals, using the line tools in 3D drawing, eraser tool, use the rectangle tool, create rotated rectangular, push and pull face into 3D, use the offset tool to create outline, draw curve and freehand shape, create circle and polygon, softening and smooth edge, Use the Follow Me tool. Create a 3D text. The fifth course is Learn Creo for Pro e-video course free. This course is approximately for 4 hours. In this course, you will get 11 lectures. You will get full lifetime access. You will also get certification on completion. In this course, you will learn Creo parametric CAD tool. You will also learn how to convert 2D sketch into 3D design. In this course, you will also learn how to design any mechanical component using Creo. You will also learn how to make assemblies of two or more components. You will also learn how to make drawings of mechanical components. You will also learn detailed designing. The requirement of the course is students of this course should have mechanical engineer and they should have basic concept of mechanical drawing. Here you can see the course description. Here you can see the course description. Here the course objectives are learn the basic Creo parametric modeling process, understanding Creo parametric concept, learn how to use Creo parametric interface, select and edit geometry, feature and models, sketch geometry and use tools, create sketches for features, create datanum planes and datanum X, create extrudes, reverse and profile leaf, utilize internal sketch and embedded utilize internal sketches and embedded datums, creating shapes and blends, creating whole sets and drafts, create rounds and chamfer, group copy, group copy and mirror item, creating pattern, measure and inspect models, assembling with constraint, assemble with connection, assemblies, explode assemblies, layout drawing and create views, create drawing annotation, use layer, investigate parent-child relationship, capture and measure design intent, resolve failure and seek help, comparison to part design project. Here you can see the course content. The sixth course is AutoCAD Comprehensive Training Lecture Free. This course is approximately for 15 hours. You will get 22 lectures. You will also get full-time lifetime access and you will also get certification on completion. In this course, you will get creating 2D drawing using the most famous drawing software AutoCAD. The requirements are laptop or PC with AutoCAD installation. Here you can see the description of this course. Here you can see the course content. The seventh course is Satya V5 Comprehensive Training. This course is for 9.5 hours. In this course, you will get 18 lectures. This course is for full lifetime access. You will also get certification on completion. In this course, you will get solid modeling, surface modeling, assembling design, and sheet metal modeling. The requirements are basic knowledge of computer and CATIA version 5 software. Here you can see the description of this course. And here you can see the course content. The 8th course is Wedding Photography, Tips, Tricks and Idea for Amazing Photo. This course is approximately of 2 hours. In this course, there are 38 lectures. You will get full-time lifetime access. In this course, you will get understand the structure of a wedding day, start to develop confidence to tackle wedding photography, capture natural-looking pose and stage photo, capture some of the authentic wedding moments, take more creative photo during the wedding day. The requirement of the course are this course does not cover any post-processing of image. This course does not cover the business side of wedding photography. You can see the description of the course. In this course, you will learn how to crop and take great image during the getting the ready phase, discover some creative and unusual idea for great photo while the bride gets ready, idea photo while guests and family arrive at the church or ceremony, how to take great ring photo before the ceremony, learn the secret of great professional photos like walking the LSs, discover the mainly idea of photo during the ceremony and how to plan in order to capture some moment, learn some useful techniques to use while the couple are signing the register or marriage license, learn what to do and get some great photo when everyone leaves the church or ceremony and mayhem ensues. Idea for taking the couple with their post car or carriage as they leave for reception. Learn to capture some funny confetti throwing moments. Great tip for formal individual and group photo. Don't just stick to the lineups but learn some creative idea from photography, the bride and groom and the groomsmen and bridesmaids. Learn to capture for fun atmosphere for wedding speeches, tip of photography, the first dance, and much more things are available. The requirement of this course are you should have DSLR or mirrorless camera, you should have reasonable understanding of your camera, you should be personable and enjoying meeting and chatting to new people, you will benefit if you have attended a wedding or two, you will need to be enthusiastic and hip to learn and practice. The course is for anyone generally interested in wedding photography, students who want to take more creative wedding photo, a DSLR or mirrorless camera, and a reasonable understanding of its use, not for complete beginners. Here you can see the course content. The first module is introduction. The second module is the bride getting ready. The third module is the ceremony. The fourth module is after the ceremony. The fifth module is the reception. The fifth module is course conclusion. The ninth course is image processing toolbox in MATLAB. The course is approximately for 3.5 hours. The course consists of 70 lectures. You will get full-time lifetime access. In this course, you will get MATLAB is a language for technical computing. It helps you to analyze and design the system and product. The matrix-based MATLAB language is the world's mostly natural way to express computational mathematics. MATLAB has divided into various toolbox to understand and easy implementation of concepts. We discuss toolbox support for processing 2D, 3D and arbitrary large image. The requirement of this course is the student must be able to understand matrix calculation and well versed with programming and C language. Here you can see the description. The course is divided into two parts as MATLAB 01 and MATLAB 2. In MATLAB 1, you will learn the beginning of image processing toolbox, import, export and conversion, display and exploration, geometric transformation and image registration, image filtering and enhancement, image segmentation and analysis, deep learning for image processes, 3D volumetric image processing, code generation, GPU computing. In MATLAB 2, you will learn image processing toolbox, getting started with tutorials, detect and measure circular objects in an image, correct non-uniform illuminator and analysis foreground objects, find vegetation in a multispectral image, enhancing multispectral color composite image, enhance color spectrum using decoloration stretching. Here you can see the course content. The course is divided into MATLAB 1 and MATLAB 2. The 10th course is Build a Simple Forum in PHP and SQL. This course is approximately for 2.5 hours. This course consists of 8 lectures. You will get full lifetime access and also certification completion. In this course, you will get a build a simple forum from scratch, connect MySQL and PHP and use them together, understanding how forum work. The requirement of this course are basic knowledge of PHP, basic knowledge of SQL, basic knowledge of HTML. The first module is introduction. The second module is setting up the MySQL database. In this module, you will setting up the database. The third module is making the registration system. In this, you will learn setting up the form and connecting to MySQL, creating the registration system, making the login page, The fourth module is creating and displaying post. In this series, setting up the everything, creating a post, displaying the post. For enrolling, you have to click on enroll course and you have to first create your account. After entering your full name and email ID, click on send OTP. The OTP will come in or on your email ID. After that, you have to log in our account and you will successfully enter for the course. All the links are given in the description. This is the first part of the course. All other three parts will upload as soon as possible. That's why subscribe to my channel for upcoming video and share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.